Guys, KP Moto, we're back, and I feel like I entered the video saying the same exact thing, but whatever. Alright, so we got this KX60 here, and I did pretty much all this in school. I just brought it back. I put a new crank in it. It came with a Wiseco crank, and then I ended up putting a top end in it too. This was cracked on the outside, not the inside, so I just did put that on there just for safe measures. But I'm about to put this motor right into the bike, and then pretty much I gotta put this side cover on once I get the chain and sprocket on. I get the chain on first, and this covers it. So I'm gonna put that on first. Fill it with gear oil. I actually have some mixed gas already laying around, so I'm gonna drop it in here and see if I can get this thing running. Maybe today, if not tomorrow. So I need to get like one more hose clamp. I think I need to find a hose clamp. I don't know. Yeah, I need one more hose clamp for here. I don't know where it went. Probably gone. I'm sure I'll be able to find one. So I'm just gonna try to find a hose clamp quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, what's up? Got the hose clamp on right here. Got some new other hose clamps too. Right here. This has the original one, but got that one. I'm waiting for my buddy Reid to come, because to get this motor in, I mean, I could probably set it in there right now. You got to line up the swing arm and have someone shove it in the bolt while you're holding the motor at the same time. And it was hard to take out by myself, so I guarantee it'd be hard to put in by myself. Oh, I think I can hear him coming up the road. Yep, I hear him coming up the road. So I'm going to throw you guys on the tripod, and then I'm going to see if we can both get it in there. I'm sure we'll be able to. And my goal is I want to get it running tonight. Whether it's driving or completely put together, I want to be able to hear this motor run tonight. So we're gonna see how that goes. Reid's pulling up right now. Uh-oh, can't see that. That's another surprise. Alright, back to it. We're gonna put this motor in. Oh, I forgot to tell you how to do it. But yeah, here, let's go. This thing weighs all of 45 pounds. I doubt it weighs that. It might weigh 45 pounds. It's in, done, start it. Okay, so you need to get that swing arm bolt. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so that long bolt right there, put some grease on it. Just the whole thing. Alright, and now, here's the tricky part. This is why I waited for you. You gotta move this fucking swing arm. You gotta move this swing arm and line it up with these holes and line the motor up. Yeah, I can line the motor up. You just gotta move the swing arm. This is gonna suck.
It'd be easier if you did the swing arm and I did the motor, because I'm right here along with the motor. It'd be easier if you did the swing arm.
What?
Because if I'm sitting here...
one just fell.
This.
Oh, okay. Shit. Alright. Okay. And now I'm gonna go like that. This is stupid design. Kind of. Stupid motor is still over. Okay, go. We need to pull it. Okay. Shut up. Yeah. Okay, go. You see it? We just gotta wiggle it around. There it goes. Punch it right there. Boom, hard part's done. Now just easy parts. This won't go on. You hit it with a hammer. Alright, now I put this bolt in. That was way easier than I expected, to be honest. Alright, so we got two bolts in. You're going to tighten them up, put this third bolt in. I'm going to throw the carb on there and the chain, and then I'll get back to you.
What's up, guys? KP Moto here. Today we're sitting here. I got myself a dog. Name's Nelly. Well, we're putting together a KX60 because I gotta go.
Alright, so I think I tightened down all the coolant hoses. They're all good. Chain's on. That sucked because this chain is really rough. I can't keep a straight face with it behind me. I gotta put the carb on. Yeah, I can put gear oil in now. I can put the side cover on. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick again.
What's up, guys? Wait. Don't mind that. It's supposed to be like that. Wait. KP Meadows and Sword eating his dinner, so on my hair, I'm putting together the rest of his snowmobile. So, I got mainly everything together, got the kickstart on. We don't need an airbox, we get more horsepower coming straight in. Just straight cob. We don't know none of that pussy, but I can't say bad words because this is my channel. Anyway, so we got the throttle all hooked up. The clutch isn't hooked up yet, but we can do that real easily. We just gotta put the cable in there and screw it on tight with some Loctite. And well, we're overfull on oil, but that'll be fine. The tires do spin, which is good. Yeah, and that's how you put together a 1947 IQR 700. What's up, guys? Well, today we invaded KP Moto's garage. We got his drill press, we got his do not enter sign, we got his sockets. We got another thing, you know, hold up other things. You got some ratchets and stuff. Not ratchets, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. We got a big old funnel. We got exhausting. We got a trash can. This is where shit gets exciting. Well, we're gonna come in here. Look at the light out. This is it. Oh, this has one little bullet in it. What is it? Empty. That's oil filters, but they're not in there. O-rings. Yeah. Empty. And oh, there's keys in here. And there's lug nuts. Fuck.
No, not that. Bring the freaking stand. I don't get anything done when he is with me, just so you guys know. He is like the biggest distraction in the world. Not even lying. What am I getting? Put it on the ground. Oh my. He's gonna grab the wrong stand, probably, just to be funny. He's in? I do nothing. I told him probably gonna grab the wrong stand just to be funny. Hey, coolant. I don't have that. Where's the crack pipe? Shut up. You're gonna blow it up. You're gonna leave it in. No, we'll leave it in there so everyone thinks it's too cracked.
Yeah, you're really funny. A one-on-one interview.
Should I show that to the camera?
Wait, what?
I don't know if that's gonna work or not.
No, hold on, stop. Alright, so what's up, guys? Well, follow me on TikTok at Midwest American guy from Minnesota. Keaton's gonna put me in the vlog here. He's gonna vlog. And I got like 1,800 followers at the moment, but with your guys' help, we can reach. How many subs do you got?
I don't get that many views, but I got like 7.
Alright, so I'm counting on the 50 views that are gonna click on this video. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button. Go cop some merch in the description.
You don't even,
and I'll see you.
He doesn't even have merch.
I'll see you.
There's no merch.
I'll see you on the. I gotta say, hold on. Go. Okay, can I redo this? No, we're gonna keep rolling. All right. Check out my TikTok. Hit that likes button. Go cop some merch. KP Moto. You got it.
Gas is on. It fired off one time. And then I pulled the camera. I just want to make sure to do something. It sounds like it's going to start, so here we go. Even idles, that never happens. I'll show you something cool down here. I was planning on torquing these, and then I put it together, put the motor in, looked at it, I was like, there's coolant leaking out of it. Put a wrench on it. What do you know? I got about 2 more turns out of it. It was literally snug, if you want to call it that. Let's see, hold the bike. Still not even completely tight yet. Yeah, I did that. Whoops. Yeah, I was like, oh crap, the head gasket's bad. And I thought about it for like 10 seconds. I was like, wait, I really don't even remember torquing them or anything. So yeah, I forgot to do that. Alright. Yeah, that's cool. But it runs pretty good even with that issue. I got the other side kind of tight. But yeah. So I'm just going to flip this thing. I'll do a riding video on it though before I flip it. But yeah. What's your freaking gay TikTok called? Whatever?
TikTok?
Yeah.
What?
What's your name?
I don't even have one.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, make sure to check out that, go hit that sub button, go hit that thumbs up button, give KP Moto some fucking love, bro. And you know, he's got some cool projects, got some cool stuff going on his channel. So if he puts this in his video, then you know. Go sub to my channel, link in the description. Go cop some merch, go like some vidges, and let's have a good time. Hopefully you stop around, and we'll see you in the next.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I'll pop a pill and I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up.